Okay, here's my taco seasoning. Look how good that looks. It smells wonderful. You don't have to worry about all those yucky chemicals that's in those prepackaged taco seasonings. You can use this for tacos, fajitas, quesadillas, anything like that. I hope you give it a try. Okay, to get started on my homemade taco seasoning, you can make this at home. It is so easy. All you need is a few ingredients. I'm going to start off with using granulated garlic. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. And just put it in a mason jar. 2 tablespoons of that. 2 tablespoons of granulated onion powder. I like the granulated better than the fine powder. It sometimes clumps together, but the granulated I found doesn't. Okay, I got that. And then I've got minced onions. I want 2 tablespoons of that. Well, those are like heaping tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I want 2 tablespoons of cilantro. This is dried cilantro. I get this over at the Amish store. They have some really nice spices there. Okay, and then I've got cumin. I got this at the Amish store. And it looks like, let's see how much I have of it. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of that. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. This stuff is so good for you. And then I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of oregano. Oregano is also good for you. It's a natural antibiotic. It smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to use a tablespoon of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of paprika. Okay, you just want to put a lid on this and just kind of shake it. And there you go. You have your homemade taco seasoning. Oh, and it's so much better than what you get in the packages. And you don't have to worry about all the yucky stuff, the chemicals that they have in the packaged seasonings. And you use gluten-free seasonings, you have gluten-free spices. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great day.